For today's video, magre-react tayo sa isang song cover video ni Ma'am Catherine ng Kryptonite page. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang kanyang version sa kantang You Don't Have to Say You Love Me by Miss Lani Misalotsa. Let's go! Panoorin na natin yan.
When you said I needed you, you said you always stay. It wasn't me who changed but you, and now you've gone away. Don't you see that now you're gone? Never let here on my own. That I let to follow you and beg you to come home. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but love you, but believe me, I'll never let you down. Alone with just a memory that's in there and sorry. Just let his loneliness and nothing else to feel. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, oh, you don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me,
Ganda ng pagsito. Wow, galing, galing. Galing talaga, galing. Ayos, ayos. Galing, galing. Mga idol, supportan natin si Miss Catherine ng Kryptonite. Nasa description nitong video yung ng page niya. Kung meron kayong kakilala na na kumakanta rin, i-comment nyo na lang. Comment nyo na lang para baka one day ma-react din natin yung videos niya. At may picture dito. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Mga balus. Kita kita sa next video. Babush. Bye!